Alright, FabFitFun Spring 2019. I'm having trouble. Okay. Here's my unboxing. This must be my mystery bag, which, okay, I got the Oribe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. Let's see, I can't read everything. This here is odor eliminator. I don't know. Okay, this I know for sure is the face oil, 10 degrees. Something like that for sure. I don't know. And what is this? Some type of body spray. I don't know. And a deodorant. Very interesting. Okay, got my 2 candles. This I was really excited about. I want to build little cactuses. Little cacti. I thought that was cute. Okay. What is this? Something black and white. This is a little backpack. Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay, now I like that the theme here, my box was in there upside down. FabFitFun. Okay, I'm gonna have to move that out of the way. Ignore the floor, it's really dirty. Dirty floor. Alright, FabFitFun Spring 2019. I'm having trouble. Okay. And as usual, it always comes with the FabFitFun magazine. There is a 50 off coupon for HelloFresh, which I did HelloFresh for a while, and I really love it. It's just, there's 4 in our family, and it can be a little expensive. Okay. Here we have Trio. I cannot read, people. No, Tray, not Trio. Tray Streak. Okay. This one is No More Baggage. Dr. Brandt. Eye Puffy. Okay. Purifying Face Cleanser by Tula. What else down here? Leave-in conditioner, which is good. Translucent powder. Wild Rose Vitamin Brightening Facial. Okay, that's all that's on that side. Here is the Unplugged that I chose. And then, what is this one? Charcoal scrub. Champagne charcoal scrub. I don't remember choosing this, but it's a Manicadar, however you say that. Okay, so that is my box. Give me a thumbs up, click subscribe, click notify if you'd like to be notified. Also, I will link up here over here. I'll link. I'll put it below as well. The link to the giveaway that I'm having for my 1,000 subscribers. I will also post the rules down below for the giveaway. And I'm really close, only about 100 subscribers away, so try to get everybody out there, because if you check it out, there's several different videos, because the giveaway keeps progressing, because I started off, I had like this amount of product, then I had this amount of product, and then this amount of product, and before the giveaway gets here I will have even more products, because I still have some more palettes that I want to get in and stuff. Again, this is the Fit Me Dewy so far. I'm giving it a thumbs up. I really like how it felt and did on my face today. It's held up pretty good. My lines look really good. My crease lines that I have. So far nothing is really set in to those, so that is really good. And that is it. Enjoy.